Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to disable driver signature enforcement in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is locate the key called shift shift key in your keyboard. Is this key arrow up? Is this key? Is this key? Is this key? Is this key? And hold down the key and go to the start menu and select restart. Hold down or press the key and you can show this screen. Go to troubleshoot and select advanced options and select the special option. Go to the startup settings and in this screen select one option. In this case show enable low resolution video mode, enable debugging mode, enable bootlegging, enable safe mode, and disable driver signature enforcement. Disable early launch anti-malware protection. Disable automatic restart your system only for Lua. In this case, I select the driver signature enforcement and click on restart button here. And press any key F1 to F9 to select one option: enable debugging, enable bootlegging, enable low resolution video, enable safe mode, and in this case I select F7 for disable driver signature enforcement. And yeah, so thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.